Let's start by creating a new project, going to File and clicking on New. I will keep a width and height of 20 centimeters and let's create a new project. Now what I'm going to do is convert PNG or JPEG images into vector format, and for that I will need to search for an image. I will start with the first animal, which is meerkat, and I will search for meerkat icon in this case. I will choose an image that fits what I want to represent. Maybe I'll try this one here in black. I will copy the image and paste it into the new project. Let me increase the size a little bit, pressing Shift. And we will need to open the Image Trace tool. To do that, simply click on Windows in the top bar and then select Image Trace. Once we have this tool open, we start by selecting the image, clicking on Preview to see the updates as we make them. In View, choose the option Tracing Result with Outlines, and after we're satisfied with the result, uncheck Preview and then click on Trace. After this, I'll go to Object, Expand, and click OK. Right-click on the image and select Ungroup until the software no longer allows it. And then I will delete the layers that I don't need. I only want the drawing of the meerkat without the borders or the background of this image. Like this. As we can see here, we only have one layer. Let's select the image, Ctrl C or go to Edit and click Copy, and then paste into our main project. I will reduce the size as it's too large and position it in the correct spot. And I will also change the color to white. Okay, so I will select the meerkat and change it to white right here. Obviously, we need also to create a separate layer for each animal, so I will delete this from here and paste it into a new layer. So I'll create a new layer and call it Animals. Let me paste the meerkat into this layer and place it in the right spot. Just like in the previous videos, I won't show the process for every animal, so let's skip to the last animals as the process was the same for each one. This process took me over an hour to complete, but notice that one of the things I did was change the color from white to black, as I think it gives the animals more emphasis. I'm going to draw the last animal, which will be a pig. Notice that I added some farm animals that weren't in the original map to fill a space that seemed too empty for me. So again, let's copy this image and paste it into this project. Let me just delete these links icons and paste the pig. Trace the image, object, expand, click OK, ungroup, ungroup again, and delete what you don't want. Now just copy the pig and paste it into the original project, so the map file. And I will place it here, near the horse and near the rabbit. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, we'll finish the Adobe Illustrator series with the crucial step of renaming all the layers and exporting the final map as an SVG file.